Suxa Bляд, that's good.
Привет, ребята и товарищи! Сегодня we're going to be cooking a traditional Russian-Ukrainian Slavic dish called borscht. It's delicious, nutritious, and let's get to it.
Beetroot is a nutrient-dense superfood packed with folate, calcium, iron, and others, helping cell growth and function, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. However, too many beets can increase uric acid levels, which could aggravate the symptoms of gout. Begin by scrubbing dirt off the raw beets. Then cut off the rough tops to make a flat surface. Then place on a large foil sheet and drizzle some water and a little oil and cover completely. Then bake in the oven for 1.5 hours at 400 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. When done, pierce with a knife. It should go in smoothly without resistance. While the beets are still warm, place under cold running water and start scraping off the skin using your fingers or a spoon. The skin should come off easily. Proceed to slice the beets into 1/2 centimeter cubes. Set aside a handful of the smaller cubes for the garnish at the end. You'll want to saute the mirepoix of carrots, celery, onion, bell pepper, and maybe a chili for about 10 minutes, adding salt, pepper, maybe a little paprika at the end. Hold on to that garlic, it will go in with the liquid. Add about 2 liters of quality homemade stock and about 2 liters of water. Add the potatoes that will help thicken the soup, add most of the beets, and all of the garlic. Bring to a boil, reduce the heat, and simmer for about 20 minutes. After simmering, add a handful of fresh dill. Remove from heat and puree the soup with a hand mixer. Then add the rest of the dill and the smaller beet pieces for garnish. Top off with sour cream or smetana.
Well, since I'm alone again, moment of truth, just me. Let's see here. Oh my God, it's like every cell in my body is experiencing an endorphin rush. You have some of the smetana, which is sour cream, the dill, out of this world. I'm not gonna have much of an outro. This is too good. What I'm gonna drink tonight is maybe a little Jameson and smoke a cigar. Cheers. You want some Aussie? Sit. There you go, buddy. Good dog.